Hello, in this video I will show you how to write numbers in diamond shape rhombus in MS Word. First you need to go to the toolbar and right click and click on the customize the ribbon, and here word options window will be appeared. You just need to click on choose command from drop down menu and select all commands, and after that you need to drop down a little bit and you need to find out enclosed characters. Here you need to click on that, and here you have to add in your main tabs. So I have already added in my helping tools. Here you can see that I have enclosed character here, so I don't want to add again. And after that, adding to this main tab, just click OK, and you can see that I have inserted enclosed character here. Click on that. You can see there is a three style over here. First style is none, second is showing text, and third is enlarged symbol. You need to click on the enlarged symbols and type the digits, and here you can include here is the diamond shape. Click on that and OK. And here you can see that the numbers are in the diamond shape. To write down 2 in the diamond number, again you need to click on the enclosed character and click on the enlarged symbols and type 2 in the text, and in the enclosure check on the diamond, and here you can see that 2 is typed in the diamond number. And similarly, if you want to type the 3, go to the again enclosed character, select the enlarge symbol, type 3, select the enclosure diamond and type. So in this way you can easily write numbers in diamond shape. So I hope you understand the video. If you think the video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.